Hey everyone, so welcome to Tech Oral. So in this Tech Oral, we are going to quickly look into installation of IntelliJ. For that, you need to go to the jetbrains.com, go to the developer tools where you'll find two versions of the IntelliJ IDE. One is the community version and other one is ultimate version, as you can see. So we're going to show you how we can download the community version here. If you scroll down in the main page, so you'll find the IntelliJ Community Edition. So where you can download either exe file or the zip file. So we're going to download the zip file. So you can click on it and download the zip file as shown here. So once you saved, so you can unzip it. So go to the directory where you downloaded it. So this is where our downloaded file is. So extract it to your convenient directory. So it might take a quite a some time, a minute, a maximum. So once this zip file is unzipped, so you can directly go ahead and use it. So that's the advantage of using a zip distribution rather than the exe file where you need to install. Here we don't have to install anything, just unzip it and get started with the IntelliJ IDE. So once unzip is complete, you can go to the bin directory within the extracted folder. So where you will see the IDE executable here, IDE64.exe. So you can go ahead and double click on it, or if you want to reuse it, you can pin it to your start menu as well by clicking on pin to start. Otherwise, you need to come here again and again and open the exe file. So I'm going to add it to the start button and then launching the IDE by double clicking on the exe file. So this is how you can quickly install and get started. So once you open the IDE, so it will ask you for data sharing. So either you can choose to send the data, or you can choose not to send any anonymous developers data. So this is how IDE looks like. So it's pretty much simple, very intuitive IDE compared to the tools out there in the market. So you can go ahead and create a new Java project if you are from the Java background. So we can quickly launch the project by selecting the project type and give the name and the location of the project. So if you have not created any of the workspace, you can go ahead and create one. So here I'm going to create a separate workspace for IDE since I'm using Eclipse as well on the other side. So once you create a workspace here, so you are ready to get started with the project. So also here you have an option to just choose a JDK. If you are running multiple JDK versions, you can choose it from here in the JDK section in the drop down. So once you choose that, you can create a project. So by default, it's going to create a sample Java program so that prints numbers from 1 to 5. So you can modify it and you can play around with the program, or if you want to create altogether new programs and run, you can do that as well. So for demonstration purpose, let us run the simple program here. You can use Control Shift F10, or you can click the play button or the run button at the top of the window. So once you click on it, it's going to trigger this Java program, and you'll see the output in the console just below. Yeah, that's it. This is a quick tutorial on how we can quickly install the community edition of IntelliJ IDE and run a sample example. Thank you.